Auz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, it's class 11th, subject economics, and these days we are doing the statistical portion of your textbook. Dear students, the measure of central tendency which we are going to do today is mode. Dear students, what is mode? In simple terms, we can say that mode is the value, or mode is the observation which occurs for maximum number of times in the series. Yes, dear students, mode हम उसी observation को कहते हैं जिसकी तादाद ज़्यादा हो. Dear students, as far as the mode is concerned, in any data there can be any observation which occurs maximum number of times. When in any data there is only one observation which occurs maximum number of times, we say that the data is the data has one mode, only one mode. However, dear students, if in any data there are two values which occurs maximum number of times, for example, if in any data there is any value, for example 3 and 5, if 3 exists in the data for 5 times and 4 exists for also 5 times, then we can say that the data is bimodal. Similarly, if in any data the observation occurs some observations, for example 3 observations exists same number of times, then we can say this is trimodal. Similarly, we can say that the data is multimodal. Yes, dear student, now in order to understand the concept of mode, I have taken here some examples like this. I have shown here you the data 38, 5, 3, 16, 24, 38, 22, 42, 38, 30, 20. And in this, we are going to find the mode of the data. This is our data. What is data? I have already taught you that in previous lectures. So if we are given here the data, for example, this is the data of students who have got these marks out of 50. Student first have got 38 marks and student second have got 5 marks. Student roll number 3 have got 3 marks. Roll number 4 have got 16 marks. Similarly, like this. Now, in order to find out that value around which all these variables concentrate, so in order to find that value, that is, in order to find the mode, we will inspect this data. We will see this data. If we see this data, we see here that how many times this 38 occurs. This occurs 1, 2, 3. There is not any other observation if you see here in the data that occurs 3 times. Therefore, the observation which occurs maximum number of times in the data is 38. Therefore, we can say the mode of the data is 38. You should remember here that maximum number of times observation occurs. It is not the highest number. You should remember here that mode is the number which occurs maximum number of times, not the number with maximum value, with highest value, but it is the observation which occurs maximum number of times in the data. Yes, dear student, this is how can we calculate the mode of any individual series. Yes, dear student. Now, if we are given the data like this, that is discrete series, this is Marcus, this is number of students. For example, किसी टीचर ने किसी क्लास का टेस्ट लिया और उसने ये डाटा वहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड किया. फॉर एग्जांपल, नंबर ऑफ 5 students are those who have got 10 marks, 3 students are those who have got 15 marks, 4 students are those who have got 33 marks, 6 students are those who have got 30 marks, similarly like this. So this is the data which we are given here. Now we have to find out the mode of the data. Actually अगर हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे, डाटा तो ये है हमारे पास, मार्क्स, दिस इज द डाटा. दिस इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स एनी नंबर occurs. यानी कि 5 बच्चों ने 10-10 मार्क्स लाए हैं, 3 बच्चों ने 15-15 मार्क्स लाए, 4 बच्चों ने 33 मार्क्स लाए, 6 बच्चों ने 30 मार्क्स लाए. ये हमारे पास डाटा ये है एक्चुअली 10, 15. अब हमने देखना है कि कौन किसकी जो नंबरिंग है वो ज़्यादा है, विच ओकर्स मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, ओकरनेस किसकी ज़्यादा है यहाँ डाटा में. अगर हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा यानी कि मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स जिसकी ये हम कहेंगे ओकरनेस, मैक्सिमम ओकरनेस किस नंबर की है. फ्रीक्वेंसी शोज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स. ये आपको मैं फिर यहाँ पर याद दिलाऊंगा. फ्रीक्वेंसी मीन्स हाउ मेनी टाइम्स एनी ऑब्जर्वेशन occurs in the data. So if you see here in the data, which number occurs maximum number of times, this is a number whose frequency is highest here. What is the number whose frequency is highest here? The frequency here is highest frequency is 12. What is the number against it? That is 35. Therefore, since in the given data the maximum frequency is for variable 35, therefore mode is 35. Mode is 35. क्योंकि जो ये 35 जो है ये ज़्यादा टाइम यहाँ डाटा में आया है, इसीलिए हम इसी को मोड लिए. therefore mode is 35. अब मैं यहीं पर आपको वो बाई मॉडल की एग्जांपल दूंगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर 35 भी 12 टाइम्स यहाँ पर था, अगर हम कंसिडर करेंगे 16 भी 12 टाइम्स था, तो हम इस डाटा क्या कहते, दिस डाटा इज बाई मॉडल, इट हैज़ मोड ऑफ 35 and mode of 16. This is all about today's topic. In the next lecture we will start another topic regarding the mode. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.